Hello, dear students. Bank finance, very important topic when we are, involved in the field of finance. Understanding about bank finance, or else studying about medium term or long term sources of finance. This bank plays a very important role. Banking finance, bank finance. Okay. So, what is this? So, short term finance. Under this short-term finance, overdrafts are used in conjunction with business bank accounts. Overdraft is a facility offered by bank, even though you're not having enough cash with you, but you can withdraw amount from the banks. That kind of facility is actually called as overdraft facility, and it is what very flexible too. Okay, and coming to the next part, bridging finance is provided by the bank to the business. What happens here? It maintains smooth cash flow between customers and the banks. So awaiting funds for for granting checks, drawdown of commercial mortgages, loan related agreements, or any confirmed sources of future income. So for all these kind of things, many support bank is what provided to their customers. Okay, even for short term or medium or long term. So working capital funding is something that, see, all these things, it includes under the concept of invoice finance. Okay. So if you want to involve in day-to-day activities of your business, for that you need a fund. Yes, you can approach bank. Okay. For that fund, we can say that as operating fund, working capital fund, or even rotating fund. For that too, you can, get money from the bank. So if you are running a business for 1 crore, okay, additional fund you are in a requirement of say for example as 25 lakhs. Okay, for that fund we usually say that fund as working capital fund. Okay, so again for that too you can approach the bank, okay, providing the collateral documents, and you can get, so you can meet your day-to-day requirements of your business, smooth operation of your business. It is also acting as medium-term finance. So term loans option is available both in fixed or variable interest rates. It starts from 1 year to 7 year period. Okay, and purpose is something that if you want to buy any fixed assets, that is land or building or machinery, that is what given here, right? Property or machinery or any kind of purchase that you want to do. So yes, you can get term loans you can use in your business. Okay, so by means of this option, like leasing finance option is also there, like for that, if when you want to buy any assets through leasing finance, leasing concept is there. That time also bank, leasing bank, it buys the equipment for you to use in exchange for regular payments. Okay, so these kind of different options like finance, asset finance option, leasing options, for all these things, it is what related to buying assets. So leasing or hire purchase option, that where you can use to maintain smooth cash flow for your business, smooth operation for your business. So coming to long term, obviously period is what high period to even 50 years, 15 years. Right? So purchase of any business premises, such huge cost, right? So or any kind of mortgages loan where it includes repayment, yes, even pension period is what such huge period, lengthy period. That is what 15-year period. Okay. So fixed asset loans or loans for assets. What is this fixed asset? Yes, for property, for buying a property or plant or machinery. Fixed asset, where you cannot just like that convert that fixed asset into cash. Fine. So these loans can be fixed up to for 10 years, even 10 years. Okay. So these are all, options comes under fixed asset loans is there. And along with this, any kind of, specialized services like fund expansion or even mergers or even acquisition for all these different concepts, this bank finance, it supports a lot. Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you.